If your Battlefield 6 game is not launching and you have tried all the methods like fixing the corrupted files and everything and it's still not working, it means the Windows is completely corrupted. So the only way to fix it is to reinstall the whole Windows. First of all, make sure that if you have any data in your C drive other than the games, so you can transfer your data to some other drive, because that will completely remove the C drive and all its data. So make sure to back up your data first, and then we need to come up here to the settings, and here we need to come up here to the Windows updates, and here we will click on advanced options and then this recovery tab, and here you can see reset this PC. So we will click on this reset PC button, and you can see we have the option to keep or remove the files and then reinstall Windows. So we will remove everything to make sure that everything starts from the scratch. And here you can see we have two options here: keep my files or remove everything. So the best approach is to use this option, remove everything. That will make sure that all the files are new, so there is no any corrupted files left. So we will click on here remove everything, and we will see some of the options here, and you can see remove apps and files, do not clean the drive. That's fine, just leave as it is, and then click on next button. It will remove everything, and these are the things that it will do. It will remove all the files and accounts, it will remove any changes, it will remove all the applications and programs, and it will reinstall the Windows. It will take little time. Now you just need to press this reset button, and then it will start the installation, and all the other processes automatic, and then it will give you a new fresh Windows, and then you can set it up, then install the EA app again, then install the new Battlefield game, and then everything should work fine. So this is how you reset or reinstall your Windows again.